Nothing has finally confirmed the launch date of the first CMF smartphone and even revealed that two more products are coming with it. The CMF Buds Pro 2 and CMF Watch Pro 2 will also be introduced alongside the CMF Phone 1 on July 8. While the launch event is almost 3 weeks away, some of the details about these devices are already out. Nothing is also expected to tease more features before the event to maintain buzz on the social media. Nothing has published a short clip on Twitter teasing the new products. It reveals that the CMF Buds Pro 2 will retain the same design on the first version. The case of the earphones will have a round wheel that has holes for attaching a lanyard. The case will have a square form factor and it will likely include earphones with a stick design. It will likely be priced under Rs 5,000. The CMF Phone 1 is confirmed to come with a unique design and one will see a wheel at the bottom side of the rear panel. It will come in a black color model. The other details are yet to be revealed. It is tipped to come with a 6.7-inch OLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. The tipster also says that the display will have uniform and thick bezels. It will be powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, which will also be used by Oppo Reno 12 Pro. Under the hood, we could see a 5000 mAh battery with support for 33-watt wired charging. While these details are yet to be confirmed by the brand, we do know for sure that the company would not bundle a charger with the smartphone. The image, which has been leaked by Gadget Beats, shows that the CMF phone will have a plain back panel with no semi-transparent design or texture appearance. The back could house the CMF logo and a dual camera setup too. At the bottom, there could be a small wheel, the existence of which is currently unknown. The device might come with a removable back panel, but nothing is confirmed yet. The tipster TechNerd9 claimed to have obtained the key specs of the CMF Phone 1 on Twitter, revealing that the device would come with a polycarbonate back panel. It will also have a vegan leather finish, something that the official teaser also suggested. The CMF phone will likely be priced under Rs 20,000, and this time around the smartwatch seemingly has a round dial instead of the square form factor seen on the previous model. The rest of the details regarding the watch are still under wraps. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.